Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing the cursor where Roman numerals should start. This anchors the numbering. Once done, insert a next page section break if only part of the document needs Roman pages. Then open Home, click the numbering drop-down and choose Define New Number Format. From the number style menu, pick I, Roman 2, Roman 3. Make sure the link style is the one you use for headings or the paragraph. This converts subsequent list items to Roman automatically. Next, you handle page-level Roman numerals by inserting page numbers. Go to Insert, Page Number, then Format Page Numbers. Change number format to I, Roman 2, Roman 3 and set Start at to 1 or another value. If the Roman numerals are only for a front matter section, make sure the section break separates it and disable Link to Previous in the header/footer tools. Once configured, close the header/footer and review pages to confirm the numeral style flows correctly. To finish, update all fields and the table of contents so Roman numbers appear everywhere. Press Ctrl plus and then F9 to refresh. If numerals don't match expectations, make sure each section's header/footer is unlinked from previous. This lets you use different formats per section. For custom sequences, use SEQ fields or restart list numbering where needed. If problems persist, check for hidden section breaks and reapply format page numbers. That fixes most mismatches and keeps your document consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.